we brought together the top formulators, top scientists, and we started to take a look at the scientific information and also clinical information that's out there as to how to put together the right product mixture based on the chemicals and compounds that are naturally or botanically derived, and how they can synergistically work better. Our concept is that we don't want a single strong push on the system. We'd much rather have multiple different compounds work in synergy and gently be able to restore the normal balance for a person. If we are able to put those formulations together that have the right scientific rigor behind them, then what we wanted to do is to make sure that we're able to show real clinical efficacy. Don't take this medication because I feel it's going to be helpful for you. Don't take this medication because it's a new fad. Take this naturally occurring botanical nutraceutical because we've actually done all the scientific rigor that any other pharmaceutical company would do as well. That means let's put it into clinical trials. If it doesn't work, I want to know because I don't want to promote it. If it does work, then I want to be able to share that information. And then if I know that it works, how can we optimize so it works better and better and better with each iteration? So MDbio was created to be able to help patients with common conditions that can really affect their health: sleeplessness, stress reduction, chronic pain. Those are the top three things that we can actually help with initially, where our focus is. So we've put together the right scientific team, and we've also taken a look in terms of how we can apply the scientific rigor. So every product that we put out there has to go through a clinical or observational study where we're able to identify what are the effects and side effects of these medications or these botanicals, and how can we optimize this further and further and further.